Hello, good morning, uh, guys. This is Mia Wasimus, and I hope you will be fine, shine like a star. Today we discuss about the most popular topic. You already familiar about this topic: how to make money online. There is 28 real ways you can earn money from internet. The first one is the start drop shipping. Let's start our list off with of the one most popular way to make money online. According to the Google Trends, dropshipping popularity is rapidly grow, highlighting and the availability as the way to make money online. With the success stories about how an entrepreneur make $7,000 in 8 weeks and how to store your own make six-figure selling just a one product. There's plenty of proof that dropshipping is the real way to make money online. In case you don't know what dropshipping is the business model where you can sell a product to customer, but the supplier store packages and ship to product to your customer. Uh, with the Abloro dropshipping, you have access to million of products that you can add to your store. Overall, toolkit is allow you to handpick your product image, added item description, and give your business personalized vibe. So people love shopping. The best way to make money online dropshipping, the most entrepreneur have been focused on a few marketing strategy, running Facebook ads, having influence promote your products, and sending direct into message to potential customer on social media. If you want to build your first dropshipping store, don't miss out on your dropshipping one-to-one courses. The second method is also very familiar. Make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the one of the most popular way to make money online throughout the years. Its popularity has gone up and down, but it's continued to prove to stable way to make money online. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you can be an affiliate for nearby company from Shopee to Amazon to Uber. Fatable fun. Affiliate marketing allow you to learn living by promoting other brands. If you have savvy markets, you can earn the commission from sales by promoting retail products, software, app, and more. While earning commissions may seem small, keep in mind that you can be affiliate for several brands and include several affiliate links on a single blog post. If you really want to make money online, doing affiliate marketing is your best way to focus. Continue marketing, but building out a blog with a squirrel page, high quality contents, you can easily create an assets you can call your town. The best part about the focusing on the content marketing is that if an affiliate program shuts down, you can switch to affiliate link to the competitor without negativity. Impact your side hustle income. This is the great platform. You can earn money in different ways, but my personal observation, you can earn a lot of money, lot of tasks you can earn. There is a lot of opportunities available. In this video we will discuss about the maximum facilitation. I hope you will enjoy our video. Thank you very much.